Unraveling the meaning of feeling out of sorts. Hello, everyone. In today's video, we're diving into the fascinating world of English idiomatic expressions, focusing on to feel out of sorts. This phrase is a gem in everyday language, perfectly capturing those moments when we can't quite put our finger on what's wrong. So, let's explore its meaning, origin, and how you can use it in your conversations. Stay tuned. To feel out of sorts is an idiomatic expression used to describe a state of being slightly ill or not in one's usual physical or emotional condition. When someone says they are feeling out of sorts, it means they're experiencing a general sense of discomfort, unease, or just not feeling like their usual self. It doesn't necessarily point to a specific ailment or problem, but rather a vague feeling of being off. The origin of feeling out of sorts dates back to the world of printing. In the days of manual typesetting, sorts referred to the individual types or letters used in printing. If a printer ran out of sorts, they could not complete their work effectively, leading to delays and disruptions. This literal lack of sorts evolved into a metaphor for not feeling up to par in one's personal or emotional state. Incorporating feeling out of sorts into your everyday conversations can add depth and relatability to your expressions. Here are a few examples. After a restless night, you might say, "I'm feeling a bit out of sorts today." If a friend seems down without a specific reason, you could ask, "Are you feeling out of sorts?" Reflecting on a day when nothing seems to go right, "I've been feeling out of sorts all day." Remember, it's a versatile phrase that can describe physical, emotional, or even mental states of unease without pinpointing a specific cause. And that wraps up our exploration of feeling out of sorts. It's a wonderfully expressive phrase that captures those indescribable moments of discomfort or unease we all face from time to time. We hope this video has shed light on its meaning, origins, and how you can use it to enrich your English vocabulary. If you've ever felt out of sorts and found a way to describe it, we'd love to hear your stories in the comments below. Until next time, keep learning and exploring the beauty of the English language.